Welcome to our deep dive into the key characteristics that define a robust mobile app architecture. In today's fast-paced digital world, having a well-structured and resilient app architecture is crucial for success. Let's explore the essential traits that make a mobile app architecture stand out. First up, we have performance. There's no greater yardstick for success than how well an application performs. Observe how the app responds to user prompts, assess its pace of execution, and its reliability. If everything hits the mark, the architecture is deemed efficient. Sustainability is another critical measure. As market requirements constantly change, a robust mobile app architecture must adapt quickly to provide a buffer against disruptions. If an architecture demonstrates resilience and can sustain its performance over time, it's a winner. Next, we have extensibility. A digital solution that doesn't evolve is destined to fail. This principle applies to mobile app architecture as well. An architecture that's easy to scale and flexible enough for new feature enhancements is geared towards excellence. In the context of mobile app architecture, testability is a hallmark of success. High testability means faults can be identified and isolated early in the development phase, saving developers from last-minute headaches. Finally, we have security. With countless digital threats out there, it's essential to equip a mobile app's architecture with robust defenses. An architecture that's well secured and up to date with the latest security features can withstand potential breaches and ensure data integrity. To sum up, a robust mobile app architecture must excel in performance, sustainability, extensibility, testability, and security. By focusing on these characteristics, you can build an app that not only meets current demands, but is also prepared for future challenges. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more insights into mobile app development.